to some of the brews that accept. They want first brew that requested something. Okay, let's see who's the brew. Let's see. Please, please, if you're gonna request a reaction, if you're gonna react, give me something new. Don't give me a song from 10 years ago. This is not a time to take chances. Trapbhaqizi. This is not the time to take chances, chat. This is not the time. God flows. He said God flows. This is not the time to take chances, chat. I see a Trapbhaqizi. Teeny boy. Teenager isn't.
Yeah. Right to the girl. I just get it, I'm the top, I'm the one. Let's go, man and any, that's forever coming power to your core. I just landed on the moon, but I'm recording on this song. How I'm dancing on us beat, Michael Jackson with the walk. I just do that action, I don't talk. Figure out why we trying to stop with you, but you don't gotta talk. Keep up action on the question now, you don't gotta talk. You don't gotta.
Again, when is this song from? Damn, I should have started there. But anyway, Michael Jackson with the flow. Let me continue. I already started, my guy. Let's go. I like the flow. I don't lie. I like the flow. It's a lot of artists have the same flow these days, the same cadence. I like that, the aggression. I like the flow. I don't lie. It's not typical rapper. It has this its own thing.
One for me, mommy, it's on me. Tryna touch the toy, then I'll do my body. Sing it all songs, sorry for your loss. Sing your ass up like a real target. When you tell me, better take the topic. When you walk with me, better take the song.
It seems like this song is from a long time ago. Why does it feel like that? Trapbhaqizi, my dog. If you're gonna send me a song, please let it be active, poison. Let it be active, poison. I hope I'm wrong, but I'm gonna check it out.
On the run, the Mandela, pull it to Uganda, Zenzela, Fikile got the block hand, get lost in no eyes, and monitor, red in the cheese, nigga, you crappy, truck shit, can't see it, I'm change up, trapping hard as I'm mission, regular rules that we listen, Glock set up, 1-on-1 to the 6 feet, I don't pay attention, and fully mixed.
Got so many flows, she said positive.
Don't rap with this nigga. Don't rap with this nigga again. Oh, don't put him on again. Lee Young, get out of here. Don't rap. It's okay to love hip hop. It's okay, because I can see you have the swag. You have it. You have the swag. You have the vibe. It's okay to love it, but you don't. From now on, don't participate. Just be the hyper man at the back. Don't again. Reactions are for being honest. I know niggas are gonna take it to heart, but trust me on this one.
Can figure out, busy lady, they're on a mission, getting bigger now. Niggas, they can see me, I'm a ghost, I'm invincible. Yeah, them cool, that rap, I look like a principal. Who's their best to who's about, going for that top spot. Try now, it's my time, we are tired, I see the truth, me, she give me good, she love for me. He Buddha, he be to the legs, and I'm stuck at my Zukuha. Crazy got a new weapon, y'all niggas into this. Crazy got a new weapon, cool, this is cool, flow hot, tryna buy good money, this is cool, Any friends we got up, these niggas, they all fake, They all fake.
Den fik jeg arbejde flere to.
Shout out, gang. Shout out, Majita. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for this. I see the work. But yeah, please piss me off. 1 year ago, chat. You see, my feeds. Okay.